Hello dear traders. For today's analysis, I decided to cover gold market. I will speak about the euro versus US dollar, overall about the dollar index, and I will also speak about the Bitcoin. So I will start with the gold market first, because I think this is a fresh stuff. Based on a 30-minute time frame, what I got here, basically what I found is that there is a bear cross. The fresh bear cross here, pretty legit bear cross from the extreme, and there was a nice a supply resistance zone around 1745, 1746, and I think that gold is literally doing the continuational move. If you check here, most recently we got like we got one bull divergence here, but actually price reached the medium, the midline, and I expect more resell on the gold, potentially to revisit 1729, even to revisit 1723. Large degree frames are all in the down cycle, like dailies in the down cycle, and 30-minute reach extreme and got a good close price reversal. So I guess this is just the beginning for this downside movement, and that we can really see more downside. So watch for selling opportunities there on the gold. Euro is already selling off, so it's a kind of late, but I want to update you about the levels. In terms of the fresh stuff, the actually opportunity appeared when we got a breakout of this contraction of a few hours this morning. All time frames, higher degrees are downside, so there is no any kind of reversal or something like that. So I see no problem for the euro to basically try to revisit the yearly low, the September-October lows from last year. And they're set at 1.1620 and 1.1600 zone. So I guess the price, if you check here, still got a space for that move down to the next reference points. Intra frames and everything pretty bearish. So watching for selling of the rallies, or if you're really holding maybe some bear position, then you can think about some objectives around the yearly lows on the daily time frame. Speaking of the dollar index for itself, dollar index just keep going upside. Large degree time frames are in the trend, so it's just going upside. No problem for dollar index to penetrate, to go through 93.72, and now we're probably heading towards the 94.25, and I can see also that we can eventually even visit 94.70, but definitely this area around 94.20 is the next pivot level there. So dollar overall pretty strong. That's the reason why we see the euro is dropping, pound is dropping. Pound just reached this pivot, but it still got many lows here on this rally, so it may be just the beginning of this whole down cycle. So overall, the dollar strength, US dollar strength. And lastly for today, I want to speak about the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is basically in the kind of contraction. I will say the eventual breakout of the 40,500 zone can confirm retest of 39,400 and even test of the 37,400. So this is still for me like in contraction, but watching for the breakout mode on this one will probably be a best choice. That will be all for today. I hope that you did enjoy, and see you all tomorrow morning.